The stem could be sturdy. The fan clock is fantastic. I just received the fan clock for Christmas and couldn't wait to plug it in. Works great and will be a really neat conversation piece when company visits. I'll plan on showing it to everyone. This fan is so cool. It spins fast, obviously, otherwise the clock wouldn't show up, and the clock's novelty itself always amazes anyone who sees it. My only gripe is that the power button was placed about an inch behind the blades. The amount of times the fan blades have smacked my arm as I attempt to reach for the power button probably says more about me than it does about the fan, but I digress. The fan is awesome, the clock is awesome, the power button is a total nightmare. Buy this fan. The lights are bright and the air from the fan feels nice. Sturdy gooseneck holds its pose. The fan makes a nice little breeze. There is no documentation, but you can set the clock by holding the single on/off button. The motor is pretty strong and runs for hours without getting too warm. It does vibrate a little bit when posed in certain ways. From the moment I saw this I knew I absolutely had to have it. I like clocks alright, and this one seems like it's floating. It's very sturdy and ridiculously easy to use. Worth the money. This clock is awesome. I took it to work and every single person that walks by has to come over and check it out. It's bright and the fan actually blows cold air as well. I am planning on buying some more from my coworkers. You won't be disappointed. Really flexible and solidly built. Hold the button to feel cooler and set time. Works when on treadmill which has a USB port. My teachers at my school hate it. I had to adjust it a bit on the treadmill. 1 star. Durable. Buy it. Click link in description for more reviews.